Hello my lovely friends and welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video, and today it's a very special one because it's a summer. And what cocktail is kind of a shouting all the time summer? It's the margarita. Now, there's plenty of margaritas of course out there, but today we are making a special one because it's one of those which it's considering to be a top shelf or a luxury margarita because of the ingredients in the actual cocktail. So, if you're ready for some shakes, stirs and sips, let's see the ingredients today. Now the Cadillac Margarita, it's not just called Cadillac Margarita because of the one ingredients which it's making more luxury, but also because it's using good quality tequila. Now for this we are going to use Reposado Tequila El Jimador, but you use any Reposado Tequila you have available in your home bar. I'm using this because it has a little bit of sweet note to it and it's working perfectly fine with the next ingredient, which in the original Cadillac Margarita you're gonna get the Grand Marnier Cordon Rouge, and that's already make it a luxury because it's a premium orange liqueur based on a cognac. But today we are using the Cuvée, which is the blue label of Grand Marnier, and this one is going even higher than the red Cordon Rouge because it's made with a cognac which is aged between 15 and 18 years. So you have more dryness, more punch, more flavor, more body, and it's basically ultra luxury. Let's put it that way, considering and obviously comparing with the Cordon Rouge. For the Agave Nectar, which usually it's in the Cadillac Margarita, again we are going to elevate with a dark Agave Nectar. With this we are going to measure a little bit less than what is required in the original Cadillac Margarita because it's using a light Agave Nectar, and the dark one it's unrefined, so it's more rich, more thick and more sweet of course. Of course you need a fresh lime juice, and if you're making one at a time, please use fresh lime juice, don't squeeze it in advance. If you make it a lot, squeeze some lime juice and use it on the night or on the day. And finally, we need some coarse salt or a good rock salt, not fine salt, for the rim. So, if you're ready my lovely friends, let's make this ultra luxury Cadillac Margarita, which I like to call it Golden Cadillac Margarita. And we are going to start with our ingredients. Of course, the Margarita is shaken without one of the ingredients, which is the Grand Marnier. This is gonna be a float, and this is what's make this margarita luxury, because you have on top the Grand Marnier floating can give you all this wonderful flavor of the orange to your nose and of course when you're sipping. Okay, but we're starting with our tequila, and we are going with healthy 60 ml or 2 ounces of the tequila in the shaker directly. Of course, as I mentioned earlier, we are going to do a little change to the syrup. We need to do only 10 ml of it. Usually you're gonna go for a half an ounce of the actual Agave Nectar, but we are going only with a 10 ml. Bear in mind, if you get this nectar, keep it on the room temperature, because if you put in a cold place, it will thicken even more and it will be very hard when you're shaking to actually incorporate in the cocktail. Okay, fresh lime juice of course. As I mentioned, if you're doing one cocktail, make sure you squeeze it freshly because you don't want to oxidize and become a little bit, unpleasant to drink. So for this we need 1 ounce or 30 ml. Usually one lime is gonna give you a little bit more, so today I'm gonna stick proper to the recipe. There we go. Wonderful. Before we shake, prepare your glass. So with the lime which you squeezed, grab your glass and give it a good rim on only half of the glass, like one side. You don't need to rim the whole glass, just one side, and stick our lovely coarse salt. It needs to be a good, as you can see, it needs to be a good salty rim. And if for any reason the rim goes inside, just make sure you remove this salt. Let's put some ice in our shaker. and we are going to give it a really good shake. Around 10 seconds, 15. Give it a good shake to chill and incorporate everything. Fabulous. So ready for us to serve. Let's pop everything here. You don't need to double strain here because we are going to serve over ice. So fill up your glass with ice. And of course, if you have a big cubes of ice, feel free to use them. But if you don't, make sure you have enough ice in the glass because you want to keep this margarita nice and chill. You want to stop any further diluting of the cocktail. So more ice, much better, okay? There we go. Beautiful. And finally, it's time to crack this bottle open. It's been in my bar for a long time, and of course, never kind of get into it to use it. So today is the day. There we go. So we only need half an ounce or a 15 ml to float on the top. I'm gonna eyeball it, but if you want to be precise, use your jigger, okay? I have 5 ml per spoon, so I'm gonna do 3 little drops on the top. This is such a wonderful liqueur. Pardon my voice. It's such a wonderful liqueur. It's much different than the red Grand Marnier. And of course, this is gonna give you the extra luxury feel of the margarita. Now you can garnish with a lime wedge, but in this case, since we're using a beautiful Grand Marnier Cuve, which is obviously aged cognac, macerate with oranges, I'll be using an orange wheel. Just pop her on the side here, and there you go, my friends. This is the extra luxurious golden Cadillac Margarita. The way how I like to call it. But you can just call it Cadillac Margarita. Cheers! Happy summer. Go make it. If you don't have the Cuvée, just make the classic one with the red Grand Marnier. But if you find the Cuvée, make sure you give it a try, okay? I'll see you next time. Bye bye.